Welcome to Holistic Vibe. Did you know that the global CBD market is projected to reach $20 billion by 2024? Let's dive into why CBD is gaining so much attention. CBD, or cannabidiol, is a natural compound found in cannabis plants. It is one of over 100 different cannabinoids found in these plants. Unlike THC or tetrahydrocannabinol, CBD is non-psychoactive. This means it will not get you high. People are turning to CBD for its potential health benefits without the mind-altering effects of THC. So, where does CBD come from? It can be derived from both hemp and marijuana plants. However, there's a key difference between the two. Hemp-derived CBD is legal in many places because it contains less than 0.3% THC. On the other hand, marijuana-derived CBD may contain higher levels of THC and is subject to stricter regulations. Always check your local laws to ensure you are compliant. Interaction with the endocannabinoid system, ECS. Now, let's talk about how CBD works in the body. Our bodies have an endocannabinoid system, or ECS, which plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis. The ECS regulates various functions like sleep, mood, pain, and immune response. CBD interacts with ECS receptors, mainly CB1 and CB2, to help balance these functions. Think of it as a key that helps unlock your body's natural ability to regulate itself. There are a lot of misconceptions about CBD. Let's clear a few of them up. 1. CBD does not get you high. That is THC's job. 2. CBD is not illegal everywhere. In many places, hemp-derived CBD is perfectly legal. 3. CBD is not a cure-all. While it has many potential benefits, it is not a magic bullet. Always do your research and consult with a healthcare provider. The legal status of CBD can be confusing, but here's a quick overview. In the United States, the 2018 Farm Bill legalized hemp-derived CBD at the federal level, as long as it contains less than 0.3% THC. However, state laws can vary, so it is important to check local regulations. In Europe, CBD laws also differ by country, but many allow hemp-derived CBD products. Is CBD safe? Generally, yes. Most people tolerate CBD well, but it can cause some side effects. These may include fatigue, diarrhea, and changes in appetite or weight. It is also important to note that CBD can interact with certain medications, so it is crucial to talk to your doctor before starting any CBD regimen. Determining the right dosage of CBD can be tricky. A good rule of thumb is to start low and go slow. Begin with a low dose and gradually increase until you find what works best for you. Factors like your weight, the condition you are treating, and your body's chemistry can all influence the optimal dose. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help you determine the best dosage for your needs. Let's test your knowledge. Which of these statements is true? 1. CBD can get you high. 2. CBD is non-psychoactive. 3. CBD is illegal everywhere. Leave your answers in the comments. In our next video, we will explore the amazing health benefits of CBD and how it can help with various conditions. From pain relief to anxiety reduction, we will cover it all. Got questions about CBD? Drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you and we'll do our best to answer in future videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on holistic health and wellness. Stay tuned and see you next time on Holistic Vibe.